How to make the most of your solo travel? Everyone thinks of traveling solo, and why not? It's such an incredible experience. If done right, you can have a memorable trip. So, we bring you some quick tips on how to make the most of your solo trip. Prepare yourself. If you'll be traveling alone for the first time, be ready to face and tackle all the challenges by yourself. It won't be easy, so be mentally prepared for the worst. Although nothing might go wrong, it's always good to be ready. Do your homework. Know the place that you'd be visiting in and out. You need to know the transport, fare, places to eat, major tourist attractions, and a whole lot more. Doing your homework will just make it easier for you to travel. Also, do keep emergency contacts handy. Remember to carry your essentials. Pack only the travel essentials. You'd be traveling alone, so it'll be difficult for you to carry all the stuff around by yourself. A good rucksack bag would be an ideal choice for your solo travel. Do not carry too much cash or valuable items. You won't be attending a wedding, so it's always better to keep all your valuables at home. Moving around wearing flashy jewelry or carrying expensive gadgets just attracts unwanted attention, and this can prove to be risky. Also, do not travel with too much cash in hand. Keep your debit card with you and withdraw only when required. Make sure you've informed your family and friends. Do share your itinerary with your family and friends so they know where you are. Make sure to keep in touch with them. That brings us to the next point. Save the emergency contacts of the location on your phone. Especially when you're traveling abroad, inform your embassy. In case there is an emergency, they can help you out. Note down the emergency contacts of these locations and you can contact them if required. Stick to the city and well-known places. If you're solo traveling for the first time, it is recommended to visit cities or well-known places as it will be crowded and at the same time safe too. You might feel like exploring the countryside or offbeat places, but you can travel to such places with a group of fellow travelers. Alone is not advisable though. Choose your accommodation wisely. You will easily find accommodation online at super cheap rates, but make sure you do some research. Booking through a well-known travel company could be the best way to proceed. If you book with Veena World, a support executive will always be in touch with you, so you don't have to worry about anything at all. There's always someone in contact with you. Don't let anyone know you're traveling alone. As much as you want to tell the world on social media, refrain from doing so. This will just make you vulnerable. You share your photos once you are back. Also, trust no one if you become good friends while on a train or a plane. Travel smart and be alert all the time. And lastly, enjoy your trip. Traveling solo is a beautiful experience. You get to spend more time with yourself and explore the world your way. Everyone should travel solo at least once in their lifetime. So where are you packing your bags to? If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.